Buffalo sauce.
Take 5 tablespoons of butter. 1, 2.
This will be for your wings. We even, like, if we buy wings from Publix that are already made or something, we still toss them.
It's it's half a stick of butter.
Half a stick of butter. Melt.
5 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce.
Use Crystal sauce.
We've used Frank's, we've used other things, but we like Crystal. I've tried Tabasco. I don't like Tabasco as much in this.
You said 5 tablespoons?
Yeah, that's 3, 4. Whoa! These will be a little hot.
Give or take.
One tablespoon white wine vinegar in the mix. Just melt it all together, and that's it.
And then toss your wings or whatever that you like to toss. We're gonna toss some wings. Ours are a bit crispy, but they're good.